Have questions about commodity trading? Hey there, have you been hearing about the commodity market? Have you been wondering how to start trading in commodities? Have questions? Let us try answering some of them today.
Is commodity trading for me?
It depends on the capital available, your risk profile, and understanding of the commodity markets. Commodities are traded as futures and options. Various commodity futures can be traded using margins starting from Rs 500 to 5 lakhs per lot, while options buying can be done using even lower capital.
I don't know anything about commodity trading. How do I get started with commodity trading?
To start commodity trading, one should open an account with a broker registered with Commodity Exchange. Once the account is opened, one can allocate margins for futures and options and start trading.
How much money would I require to start with commodity trading?
As low as Rs 500 is sufficient to trade in one lot of gold petal contract.
I heard commodities are volatile. I do not want to risk much. Is commodities for me?
Commodities are real assets. They can be a hedge against inflation. It is good to diversify your portfolio with commodities, as commodities are a distinct asset class with returns that are largely independent of stocks and bond returns.
What commodities are traded in India?
Bullion, gold, silver, bulldex, energy, crude oil, natural gas, base metals, aluminium, copper, lead, zinc and nickel, agri, cotton.
What are commodity trading hours in India? Are holidays common with the equity markets?
In India, commodities can be traded from 9 am to 11:30 or 11:55 pm. Number of trading holidays are lesser compared to equity markets, as most of the days when equity markets are closed, commodities are open in the evening session for trading. I hope I was able to answer your questions. Let us know in the comments other questions you may have, and we will try to make another video to answer them. For more such information, subscribe to our YouTube channel ICICI Direct.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from ICICI Direct.